In this video, I will show you how to change background image and colors in Canva. So as you can see here, I have three different designs with three different backgrounds. So this is a gradient background, this is a plain background, and here I have this one with this image as a background. So what you're gonna have to do in order to create a gradient background, you're gonna have to simply click on it. So I'm gonna delete this. So it's gonna look something similar to you. So simply click on the color, and as you can see at the bottom you have gradients. So if you want, you can use this as templates, but if you want to use your custom colors, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add a new color, and you should see this solid color option. Click on gradient, and then here you can select your own colors for your gradient, and here you can choose the style. As you can see, now if you want to add more colors to your gradient, simply click on this button, and then you can simply add as many as you like. So this is how you can change gradient color and how you can create a gradient background. Now if you want to change to a plain color, simply select it, and then you can simply choose whatever color you like, as you can see. And basically that's it. Now if you want to add an image as a background, what you're gonna have to do is simply add your image. I'm gonna use some stock images, but here you can add your own. So simply click on the image, and then you're gonna have to simply resize it to your design size, just like this. And basically that's all you have to do. Now if you want, you can double click on it to change, to resize it, to change the position. If you want to make it smaller or bigger, you can choose that. You can also rotate it, and then click on done, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.